Now in this section, in my account, in my item, you'll be able to see the support tickets that you filed in the past, and you'll also be able to create a new ticket for the support team. So once you took a new ticket, you'll be able to enter the details for the requirement that you have, and then you come here and click create a ticket. Once done, we're going to receive this ticket from you, and then we'll respond back to you within 24 to 48 hours from the date that we receive it. Yeah, and here you can see the current tickets that you have open with us. You could click it to basically view any responses that we've added, and you could also add extra comments. You could add anything supporting to the case that you have right here. Now if you don't want to add anything and you want to go back, it is simply just go to the bottom, click cancel, click yes. Once we click cancel, then this case gets canceled, right? So let's say you figured out the solution. Let's say you had an issue, but now you fixed it. So now you'll be able to just click cancel, and here we are. We canceled the ticket. So now we only have these two tickets open. So that means we're going to reply. Someone from the item support team is going to reply to you. And then from there, you'll be able to see a reply. And then you could respond back to us. So it's kind of like a back and forth communication. You click on these three dots to edit or cancel. Once you click cancel, then we'll no longer be responsible to responding to this ticket. And if you click edit ticket, you'll be able to change any of the details on that ticket.